Hey there, welcome to my channel Craftility. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful antique tricycle with flowers. If you are new here, then subscribe to my channel and click bell icon to get notifications of latest videos. So let's get started. For this, I'm taking a card which measures 8 inches by 6.5 inches and I have traced the design on this card. So we'll start by creating a large ring coil. For this I am using 2 strips. Each strip is of 17 inches. So we need a round object to wrap the strip around it. Coil is ready. Now we'll create a small ring coil. For this I am using 1 strip and I'll wrap this strip on 12th level of border body. For other ring coil I am using 1 strip and this time I'll wrap this strip on 10th level of border body. So 3 different sizes of ring coils are ready. Now we'll create a tight coil using 7 inches of black strip. Again create a tight coil using 4 inches of black strip. Create one more small tight coil. Now take 7 inches of red strip and create a teardrop shape. Create more such shapes. Now glue all the shapes together to form a flower. Now create a tight coil using 4 inches of brown strip and glue this tight coil over the center of flower. Create a twisted eye shape using 8 inches of green strip. First create a coil, pinch it from both sides and twist from both sides. Now we'll start with tricycle. For this I am using 3 mm strip. I am folding the strip from center and then shaping it so that the strip would be a little thick. Take proper measurement and then glue the strip on the design. inches of yellow strip and create cone shape. Glue all the flowers and leaves on the design. Thus, our card is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in another video. Till then, happy quilling!